Welcome back to this section. Now I love this chart particularly. It looks like a snake, but then I love how it's very easy to interpret. So I love the ribbon chart. So this is a ribbon chart here. Come here, you click on this ribbon chart, and we have this guy. Like I said earlier, always adjust to get the preferred size. So we have this now. So now I want to compare. For donut chart, you need to have at least 3 values. So I want to see the countries. I'll bring the country down here. I want to compare the days of the week, which I have here already. So weekday, bring the weekday down to the x-axis. Then I want to compare it to the sum of sales made. Let me see how much was made for each of the weeks, days of the week. That's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I'm going to drag the sales down to the y-axis. We have this now, and this is what we have. So this is beautiful already, right? But that's not all of it. Let's wait for it. So this means this on Wednesday made the highest sale. All right, Wednesday made the highest sale, and then followed by Monday, followed by Thursday, Tuesday, Sunday, Saturday, and then Friday. So they made much sale. So if I am reporting this to my stakeholder, I would advise them to be very serious with Wednesday, because that's when they get the most sales. All right. So this is it here. So from here, what we have is sum. All right. So you can decide to change the sales. All right. You can change it to count. That's you want to count. You can change it to average. You can change it to minimum value. Can maximum value, even standard deviation. Even the median, you can change it, but I usually love using sum so I can get my good results. So now I have seen this now. I can see that Wednesday is doing well. But let me see how this sales was made in different countries. So I'll bring the country right now to my legends. Wow, this is beautiful. So this simply means on Wednesday, what country is this blue? United States. So United States made the best sales on Wednesday. But then what happened? On Monday, they dropped down to the list. Then they remained there on Thursday. And then on Wednesday, they went one step higher. And then on Sunday, they shoot to the highest, which was 15 million. Wow, that was impressive. Then later came back. This is just like a cryptocurrency. It's moving up and down. All right, so now this is how to interpret it. Then for Monday, the best sale for Monday was Canada. Canada made a lot of sales on Monday. All right. And then Thursday, the best sale was France. And when Tuesday, the best sales was Canada. And on Saturday, on Sunday, they went back. United States came back to the top again and stayed there. It's looking like Saturday is not a very good day for business there, because see, almost all the charts are down, and then Friday is the worst. So I would advise my stakeholder, please don't focus your energy on Fridays. That doesn't mean you don't sell, but then don't focus your energy there. Focus your energy on this day, because this is where you have the most sales for all of them. All right, apart from Wednesday. So if I'm going to advise somebody in Germany, I would ask them to focus. For Germany, I'll ask them to focus more on Wednesday, because that's where they have the highest. All right, followed by Thursday, then followed by Tuesday, followed by Tuesday and Saturday. Then we have this other day, Friday, and finally Sunday. So this is how to read your ribbon chart. Okay, I hope this was interesting. So you can keep your values here. You can keep your mouse here to show you the value and the country and the sales made. All right. So for this now, you can see that this country is Canada, and the sum of the sales made was 4,898,377.5 kobo. All right. So this is what this country made. All right. You can go ahead to format like I showed you, but then there's no points. All right. Right now we're just focusing on how to insert the ribbon chart. I hope this was clear. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm always here to answer your questions. So I'll see you in our next class. Cheers.